Adnan first discovered this event through the Poetry Library, and if you haven't been to the Poetry Library, it's on the South Bank, above the Royal Festival Hall, and top floor. But I put our events up there as well, and I'm glad that I gathered someone from that listing. Anyway, he has returned because he did a poem here before. He doesn't live in this country. Perhaps he'll tell you a little bit about that. You've got about one line there. And then he's going to read us one of his lovely poems. Can you give him a big hand, please? One last thing, we had a few late arrivals. Could you make sure that you sign in on our email list with your contacts? And there's a donation box there too.
أكتب ويدي على النافذة تمسح الدموع عن وجهة السماء. أكتب وقلبي في الحقيبة يصغي لصدير القطارات. أكتب وأصابعي مشتتة على مناضد المقاهي ورفوف المكتبات. أكتب عنقي مشدود من بدء التاريخ إلى حبل مشنقة. أكتب وأنا أحمل ممحاتي دائما بأقل طرقة باب، وأضحك على نفسي بمرارة حين لا أجد أحدا سوى الريح.
Adnan read from the pages from the biography of an exile. He read the poem number 10, and it was translated by Stephen Watts and Marga Burgai, and I'm going to read the English version. I'm very proud to do this because I think Adnan's a phenomenal poet. So thank you for asking me. I write and my hand is on the window, wiping the tears off the cheek of the sky. I write and my heart is in the suitcase, listening to the trains whistling. I read and my fingers skitter across cafe tables and library shelves. I write and my neck's tied from the outset of history to gallows ropes. I write and my fingers always on delete for the tiniest knock at the door. And I laugh and blunt irony at myself when I open it to nobody but the wind. Baghdad, 1991.
Beautiful poem. I love the sound of Arabic too. I tried to learn it once, a long time ago. Okay, so who shall we have next?
And I have a short, we have a longer version and a short version, but I'm actually going to say something about Ayfer. Now, Ayfer.
I saw I'll tell you what inspired me. I saw a wedding dress that someone had brought to the local dump and hang on one of the skips. And I thought that was so moving, just one tiny little act, you know, because any other outfit has no kind of meaning really in all reality, and everyone is nodding so we understand. But a wedding dress, you know, and so that was a poem from there. And this next poem, I'll only read two because I'm not well, so this next poem inspired by Adnan's own poem, so I'm grateful for his words. I only wrote it today, so I hope you like it. It is called Somewhere Else. I want to be somewhere else, perhaps on a ship cruising to catch the sun. I want to be somewhere in the early morning, walking along narrow streets, tiptoeing on the cobblestones and heading towards the beach. I want to be somewhere else on earth where it's early evening and my body lies stretched across atop the mountain heather, welcoming the moon. I want to be somewhere else, far away from here. I want to be where the sound of the waters of the angel falls is drowned by the songs of the birds of paradise. I want to be somewhere else, but not here, buried deep in rubble with the sound of bombshells exploding near.
I hear of the dog in the morning and rolling down the Holloway Road, orange lit glow, booming lamp posts on the way home. The world it sways and swings in the melody of a drunkard's daydream dancing.